Hi friends, so it's good to see you here today. Welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 38. And before we start this lesson, let's review first what we learned from Lesson 37. So we have 公司、商场、自行车、摩托车、出租车、公共汽车、飞机、地铁。So if you have any questions, you can watch lesson 37 video again. So we have 忙 and 忙 So actually the pinyin here is exactly the same, and that's why Chinese characters are important to differentiate the meaning of the words. So let's read together, guys. 忙 忙 So the first 忙 here, it means busy, and the second 忙 here, it means blind. Another words here we have 半 全 Let's read together, guys. 半 全 So the meaning of 半 is half and 全 is whole. Moving on to the next slide, we have 复习预习 Let's read together, guys. 复习预习 So 复习 is review and 预习 is preview. Another two words here we have 加 增加 So let's read together, guys. 加 增加 So the 加 here and the 加 here are exactly the same. There's no difference, but we add chan here, and the meaning of 加 is to add, and together with chan it is chan jia, and the meaning of these words are to join or to participate. So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Don't forget to review what we learned today. I will see you guys on our next lesson.